You are in the middle of a high-stress workday when an unexpected notification appears. Session expired. Please log in again. You move quickly, clicking a link and entering your password to get back to work. Attackers rely on this specific environment. They manufacture a sense of urgency to bypass your logical scrutiny, forcing a reaction before you have a chance to think. Then comes the realization. The page layout suddenly disappears, or the web address looks slightly incorrect. You notice the subtle visual cues of a fraudulent login page seconds after hitting submit. In that split second, your credential data is packaged and transmitted from your browser to an unauthorized external server controlled by an attacker. Falling for this trap is a known psychological vulnerability. Since the data is already sent, your next steps dictate whether this remains a minor incident or becomes a major breach. 1Password acts as the central linchpin for the entire organizational network. This diagram shows how a compromised account grants immediate access to corporate email. Attackers use this access to impersonate you, sending fraudulent requests to colleagues. From there, the threat expands, tapping into shared file systems to target sensitive customer data. They use your compromised account as a trusted entry point, attempting to move laterally and quietly through internal systems. A stolen credential is the ignition point for a network-wide incident. To protect the organization, we have to intervene immediately. Step 1 of the protocol is to stop. You must sever the digital connection immediately. You may feel the instinct to test the link again or re-enter your credentials to verify if you made a mistake. Do not interact with the page any further. Lingering on a suspicious site allows hidden background scripts the time they need to track your keystrokes and harvest additional session data. Close the browser tab completely. Take your hands off the keyboard and physically pause to break the psychological panic loop. Stopping is your best act of containment. It ensures that a single mistake does not multiply into compounded, irreversible errors. Step 2 is to change your password. This serves as your first technical countermeasure. Open a new, clean browser window. Navigate directly to the official company portal using a known, safe bookmark or by typing the address manually. Never use a password reset mechanism provided by the suspicious page or linked inside the original phishing email. Resetting your password on the official server instantly invalidates the stolen credential currently sitting in the attacker's possession. By updating your password locally, you terminate the session access the attacker currently holds, blocking them before they can explore the system. Step 3 is to report. Alert your IT help desk or security team without a moment of delay. It is common to feel embarrassed when a compromise happens. However, delaying your report out of fear of reprimand keeps critical threat intelligence away from the defenders. Your security team relies on your communication as an early warning system. Your report allows them to shield the rest of the organization from similar phishing waves. Use the dedicated channels available to you, phone, chat, or an urgent ticket, to ensure rapid deployment of security countermeasures. Rapid reporting transfers vital intelligence to the right people, immediately activating the organization's broader defense mechanisms. Step 4 is to verify. We need to audit your account for any unauthorized actions taken during the brief window of compromise. Check for unexpected sent messages, review hidden inbox forwarding rules, or altered security preferences. This step highlights the critical role of multi-factor authentication. MFA requires a secondary, physical verification from your device, stopping an attacker even if they possess your password. You now have your operational checklist: stop, change, report, verify. Decisive action and fearless reporting transform employees into an active layer of organizational defense. Follow the protocol to keep the network secure.